Tagalog words for beginners. Hello, hello. Annyeonghaseyo, annyeonghaseyo. Mahal kita, mahal kita. I love you, I love you. Salamat, salamat. Thank you, thank you. Pasensya na po, pasensya na po. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry nahuli ako, sorry nahuli ako. Sorry I'm late, sorry I'm late. Kasalanan ko, kasalanan ko. It's my fault, it's my fault. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko alam. I don't know, I don't know. Alam ko, alam ko. I know, I know. Naiintindihan ko, naiintindihan ko. I understand, I understand. Mabuti, mabuti. Good, good. Hindi mabuti, hindi mabuti. Not good, not good.